Hello guys and ladies, this is Premium Milk. Here is my new tutorial for the new project transition pack. So here we have all the sequence of the transition. You can see it on the timeline. Let's drag and drop an image, two images, just this one, and let's try also this one. And let's go to find the transitions. Here is on this folder. Let's say we want this transition. You drag and drop this transition and you hit rasterize. Drag and drop your image below. First of all, you have to go to pre-comps to find the guide and just hide what it has inside in order to be empty. And let's see now what happened. Let's scale down the image. Let's make a cut here to the image and bring the other image here and scale it to fit your comp. So let's see the result. So here is the transition. So if you have a sequence of images, you put the transition here, and here is the cut. If you want to change transition, just drag, holding the Alt key, drag and drop, and leave it there in order to find what exactly is this message. Let's find what it is. Yes, of course, I have made a mistake here. I will fix it right now. We have to put the basic 3D before motion title, and I think now it's ready. Yes, of course. So this is it. Every composition has his own sound effect. Let's see some glitch effect, glitch transition. Let's make some more fixes here. This is it, just like that. Has a lot of glitches inside in order to find the best. So as you can see on the preview, you see them all. Here is the zoom with bulbs. Zoom with lens. The motion is very nice transitions. If you don't want the sound, or the sound is loud, you can reduce it. From here, just -5. If you have a music, maybe -10. So this is it, how it is working. And when you made you can also put your footage if you want here, not just the images. You can make an animation of your image and then put the transition here. And if you want again, you put the guide again in order to see all the transition with some guide. Don't forget after to hide the layers inside the guide. So this is it. I hope you like it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to